Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a DIY coffee bar, cocoa bar, and is a collaboration with my friend Erica here on YouTube. So after you watch my video and see how I made this beautiful coffee station, I want you to click the link up here and also in the description box below and go check out her channel and tell her I sent you and say hi. So if you would like to learn how I made this delicious, oh my gosh, this delicious cup of coffee, stay tuned.
The first thing I wanted to do was paint my Dollar Tree lids a festive color. I really wanted the color red to kind of stand out on my white hut. I wanted to use these syrups, but I didn't like the wrapping that came with it, so I took some festive scrapbook paper and I cut them to size and then hot glued them onto the different syrup. I also added a chalkboard label so that we could tell which one was which. I also added scrapbook paper and chalkboard labels to the whipped foam. Once the lids were dry, I added the ingredients to the jars and added labels.
Okay, so now that we have spray painted the top of the Dollar Tree jars and put the little chalkboard labels on them and filled them with goodies, the marshmallow foam and caramel foam with the scrapbooking paper and put a little chalkboard label on that, I'm ready to sort of assemble my hutch and get this coffee cocoa bar like assembled and like make it pretty. I have this cute little holly jolly that I'm going to set up in the corner, and I'm going to stack my marshmallow stirrers. These I think are from Marshall's and they were very inexpensive, probably $2 or $3.99, and I'm just going to stack them up in the corner like this. And then I have this coffee mug, and these are actually like mixed drink stirrers, but I'm going to use them for coffee stirrers because I think they're kind of like festive, add a little festive touch. And I got this little teeny 4-cup mug display on Amazon. I didn't want a big tree because I had nowhere to put it, so I just like this little cute little, I just like this little one.
Now the fun part gets to begin, where I add all my favorite little Rae Dunn mugs and make it all cozy. And of course I gotta add my garland and all my Dollar Tree picks and my ribbons and, you know, all the fun stuff. Make it very festive. In my opinion, the more glittery picks, the better. If your house isn't covered in glitter at Christmas time, then is it even Christmas time at all? I am so thrilled with how it turned out. I love displaying my Rae Dunn canisters and the little Dollar Tree jars I spray painted red. I am so thrilled with the way those turned out. My kids and I can't wait to use this all season long and make some delicious coffee and hot cocoa. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but for the month of December, I am doing Vlogmas.